Polar Pro, you did it again. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for Polar Pro. This is a sponsored video. Polar Pro did send me this box of ND filters for my X5S camera for my Inspire 2, which is down here. And then afterwards, we're gonna go out to the field and we're gonna test them out. We're down here in Playa Vista, California. And that's pretty much it, guys. We've got a CP, NDA, ND16, ND16 polarizer. These are all for the X5 series camera, and I have the X5S for the Inspire 2. These are all beneficial, extremely beneficial in the drone world. And I just want to say thank you so much, Polar Pro, for sending me these filters. Guys, if you want to know anything about Polar Pro, everything is down in the description below. So Robbie is gonna help me. He's behind the camera right now. Shake your head up and down, you're gonna help, right? Great. Go find a park somewhere around here and test out these things, and then show you a little side-by-side comparison. If I could just have you, Rob, all the time, record my vlogs, it'd make my life a lot easier. Now I just have to get an editor. It's the thing, you guys don't realize how heavy this drone really is. Oh, actually you're probably gonna wanna get inside, right? Do right now, as soon as we get set up, we're heading to just like a little park here. I'm gonna set up the camera, the X5S camera here. I'm gonna put all the settings back to factory settings. So then I'm gonna pick a route. I'm probably gonna fly down this street towards the beaches, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do the exact same things with the ND8, with the ND16. You get the point. Did I mention how heavy this damn drone is? I could use like a wheelie thing. So another thing you guys wanted to do, the X5S camera comes with this little rubber boot. Always put it over camera. It protects it from dust getting inside there, because you'll start to hear like a little crunchy sound in there when you're moving focus. I always recommend putting that bad boy on there. I've seen some people on YouTube kind of not do that, and they mess it up. Open this up here. All right, you guys, that is it. We just got back. Thank you so much to this guy here for recording the open box and review video for the Polar Pro ND filters. That's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Everything is down in the description below. Now we're just gonna go edit this video. It's probably gonna take me a good 6 hours. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one, which is probably like next week, maybe tomorrow. I don't know when they're gonna be watching this. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.